The rights of neighbors, as emphasized in various cultures and religions, including Islam, revolve around fostering harmonious relationships and promoting the well-being of those who live nearby. Here are some general rights of neighbors. 1. Respect and kindness. Neighbors have the right to be treated with respect, kindness, and courtesy. It is important to speak to them in a polite manner, maintain a friendly attitude, and avoid causing harm or distress. 2. Privacy and peace. Neighbors have the right to privacy and peace in their homes. This includes respecting their personal space, refraining from unnecessary noise or disturbances, and not prying into their personal matters. 3. Safety and security. Neighbors have the right to feel safe and secure in their neighborhood. This involves taking measures to ensure the safety of the community, such as reporting suspicious activities, cooperating in times of emergencies, and maintaining a watchful eye on each other's properties. 4. Property boundaries. Respecting property boundaries is essential. It is important to avoid encroaching on neighbors' land, using their resources without permission, or causing damage to their property. Good communication and understanding of property lines can help maintain peaceful relations. 5. Mutual help and support. Neighbors should be ready to offer help and support to one another. This can include lending a helping hand in times of need, such as during illness, emergencies, or times of difficulty. Acts of kindness, assistance, and cooperation strengthen the bond between neighbors. 6. Environmental considerations. Being mindful of the environment and its impact on neighbors is crucial. This involves responsibly disposing of waste, keeping noise levels at a reasonable limit, and respecting shared spaces, such as parks and common areas. 7. Cultural sensitivity and tolerance. Neighbors often come from diverse backgrounds and cultures. It is important to be respectful, tolerant, and understanding of different customs, traditions, and beliefs. Embracing diversity fosters a sense of unity and harmony within the community. Promoting good relations with neighbors and upholding their rights contributes to a positive living environment and a sense of community. It is a reflection of compassion, empathy, and a commitment to fostering a harmonious society.